Hi everyone, my name is Dev and I believe watch is one of the most important accessory a man can wear. Even we purchase different watches because of their different watch face design and because of their different strap design, so that we can wear those different watches in different situations of our life. For example, if I'm going for a business trip, then I would like to wear a watch with simple strap design, simple analog watch face. If I'm going for hiking, outing with my family and friends, then I would like to wear a watch with multicolored watch strap and a watch face which is showing multiple information. As you already aware, Huawei launched Huawei Watch GT2. It's an amazing watch, amazing design, 14 days of continuous battery backup, continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep monitor, stress monitor, 15 workout modes, music on the wrist. Directly you can call from the watch, speaker phone available, microphone available, whatnot. In Huawei Watch GT2, you can change watch faces directly from the watch. After an update, now you can change watch faces directly from your smartphone health application. In this video, I would like to tell you how to make any of your gallery picture as your watch face. Let's watch the video. In Huawei Watch GT2, user can change watch faces by two different ways. Number one, you just need to tap and hold on Huawei home screen. It will vibrate and then you can select any of the watch face of your choice. You just need to tap on the watch faces you like and it will automatically change. If you want to change watch faces from your smartphone, then first you have to connect your watch with a smartphone with Huawei Health application. Then you just need to open Huawei Health application. From there, in the devices option, you can directly see watch faces option. Tap on the watch faces and then you will see two different options. One is recommended, another one is mine. In mine, you will see all the watch faces which you already installed and download in your watch face, or it will directly or by default comes in your watch. So if you want to change these watch faces, just open anyone and set as default. It will instantly changed. Now if you want to download more watch faces, additional watch faces, then just go back, select recommended, and here from here you can see multiple watch faces. Whatever you like, you just need to tap on install. It will automatically get installed, and when it is pushed, it will automatically change in your Huawei Watch GT2. Now the most beautiful option is you can select any picture from your gallery and make that picture as your watch face. So for that you just need to go to mine option, you need to select this gallery option. Under background you will see a plus icon. Select gallery, select normal gallery, select any of the picture you want to make as your watch face, select the area, how much area you want to make as your watch face, select style, if you want to use this watch, any of the watch, the layout, if you want to use upside watch or downside, then save. Now your device will be push this watch face to your watch. After it got pushed, automatically changed. Now you in Huawei Watch GT2 you can select multiple 5 pictures at a time. So if I want to add more pictures, just need to go to background, tap on plus, again same gallery, any of the watch face I can select. I can choose any area, select, it will change, save, it will be pushed to your watch. Now it is pushed. One more thing you need to learn from here, that if you tap on this watch face from here, then you can change watch face. If you select multiple, you can add more gallery, any of the picture you can select. Okay, save, it is again pushed, it is changed. You can change your watch face as you like. So isn't it a good option? So now you can change your watch faces as per your mood. You can make any of your favorite pictures from your gallery as your watch face. Even if you want, you can make your loved one's face as your watch face.